Sometimes we reach a point where what once filled us no longer does. The cups are empty and the path ahead is calling. That isn't failure. It's the sign we're ready for something deeper. Courage doesn't have to be loud. It can be a steady step forward, guided by the fire that lives inside us. Change doesn't always arrive all at once. It unfolds like the seasons. One leaf, one breath, one day at a time. And as we move forward, balance matters. Life asks us to give and receive in harmony, to let kindness flow both ways. Walk on with that in your heart today. The light you carry is already rising.